strain might work better for me than it would for you. Like maybe there's something about my internal biochemistry that makes this particular bud smell good to me because this particular bud would work good for me like on a medicinal level. There are around 150 terpenes found in cannabis, and they interact with other cannabinoids in the plant to create the entourage effect, which enhances the plant's medicinal properties. Terpenes have therapeutic properties and can aid in the absorption of cannabinoids into the bloodstream. Different terpenes have different effects, and they can influence neurotransmitters in our brain, leading to different effects on our mood. Research on terpenes found in cannabis has become an important subject of scientific research in the recent years, with some terpenes found to have therapeutic properties in treating pain, inflammation, depression, anxiety, and a few other conditions too. Besides the main terpenes or the monoterpenes that are present in large amounts, cannabis also contains lots of other sequestraterpenes, diterpenes, and triterpenes. And there can be over 100 different terps in one single plant. But these are 10 of the most commonly found terps in no particular order. Number 1, myrcene. Myrcene is the terpene that is present in highest amounts in most cannabis, and sometimes myrcene will make up 65% of the total terpenes in your bud. And in all of nature, myrcene is mostly found in cannabis. Myrcene is usually high in lots of indica-dominant strains, and it is also in mangoes, thyme, and lemongrass. And in your bud, this can smell sort of like musky fruit or like dirt and grapes. Myrcene enhances the effects of THC, and it can help you feel sedated and relaxed. And it has been reported to be good for treating inflammation and pain, which is probably one of the reasons why cannabis is so good for both of those things. Number 2, humulene. If you like a nice cold brewski, you are probably a fan of humulene, because it is the main terpene in hops. It is also in basil, coriander, and in a lot of indica-dominant strains. And it can help you feel calm and creative. Humulene can also decrease appetite and has been researched as a weight loss tool. And early research has shown humulene to be an anti-proliferative, which means it can prevent cancer cells from growing. Humulene can also fight bacterial infections, and like a lot of the other terps we will see on this list, can reduce inflammation and reduce pain. Number 3, limonene. Limonene is the second most common terpene found in cannabis, and like it sounds, it's found in lots of citrus fruits like limes and lemons, and in juniper and peppermint. Limonene is in lots of sativa-dominant strains. Limonene can help you feel alert, energetic, and uplifted. And limonene has shown to reduce stress and improve your mood. Research has shown that limonene has antifungal and antibacterial properties, and one study even found that it could have a role in shrinking tumors. Number 4, caryophyllene. Caryophyllene is the only terpene we know of that can actually bind to cannabinoid receptors in your body. It has a spicy type of smell, and it's in things like black pepper, oregano, cinnamon, and it's in lots of indica-dominant strains. This can help you feel focused, calm, or refreshed, and since it binds to your CB2 receptors, it's great for anti-inflammatory topicals. Caryophyllene can also help with anxiety and pain, and research on mice has even shown that it could be used to treat alcoholism and treating alcohol withdrawal symptoms. Number 5, terpinolene. Terpinolene, or terpenol, is commonly used in flavorings, perfumes, and cosmetics, and it is found in lilac, apples, and tea trees, and in lots of sativa-dominant strains. Terpinolene smells sort of floral and...
See, I like how he's giving the indica or sativa, not for the, oh, you want an indica for this type of nah. These type of terps can be found more specifically in this type. That's why there's indica and sativa. The plant structure and how they grow and where they grow from. Boom, there you go. Because then these similar plants are like, hey, yeah, there you go, bud.
And a little bit like citrus or apples. And it can help relieve stress or help you feel very calm or even completely couch locked. Besides being for stress, it can also have antioxidant and antibiotic properties. Number 6, linalool. Linalool is the terpene that gives your bud that, I don't know, that just classic weed smell, I guess. It just sort of smells like weed. It's found in rosewood, birch, lavender, and lots of indica-dominant strains. This can help you feel relaxed and sedated, and it is great for helping you get some sleep or relieve pain. Number 7, alpha pinene. Pinene is sometimes referred to as